Assalamu alaikum everyone, and welcome to today's JASMY video update for Saturday 20th of August. And we've actually been talking about JASMY, right? So once again, the recap is that you do have JASMY making a pennant. So what you saw previously was a pennant. So let's go to Bitcoin right now, and let's talk, not Bitcoin, to Google, and let's talk about their pennant. And yep, so here we are with the bear pennant. So this is exactly what JASMY has, okay? If you actually notice JASMY, that's exactly what it really did here on the weekly time frame. Doesn't that really show you that this one from there to there, you had that one right here, and then from there to there, you had that one down right there, okay? So it was a very clear pennant, and this is known as a bear pennant. And then you have a pole and one symmetrical triangle forming support and resistance, and this actually forms that the support and the resistance actually meet together to form that symmetrical triangle. So even if you talk about the flag, so let's look at the technical target. From there to there, we're talking about a technical target to really come down to this price level, which is going to be 0.004896 on the on that level. So that's actually a big, that is crazy huge, 47% drop to the downside. Okay, now I do want to see fib retracement, and I want to see if the reversal wave happens. Where the hell are you going to go? Now right now you are losing the 0.618. The next technical target that you might actually bounce off is going to be 0.006, but keep in mind this is nonetheless your technical target, and that's actually the 2.272 of the fib retracement as well. And that's pretty much it for this quick update on JASMY. I'm going to see you the next one. Bye bye.